Hello friends, myself Indrani Power from third year electrical and my group members are Sakshi More and Pavan Thapekar. Name of subject is management. Name of topic is planning and organizing the supervisory level. Contents planning at supervisory level, planning by supervisor, planning activities, detailing and following of each step, prescribing standards from various activities. Next, introduction. Planning is deciding in advance what to do and how to do. It is one of basic material functions. Before going to something, the manager must fortunate ideas of how to work on a particular task. Thus, planning is closely connected with creativity and innovation. But the manager would first have to set objectives. Only then will the manager know where he has to go. Then the functions of supervisor. Supervisor being the manager in a direct contact with the objectives has got multifaceted functions to perform. The objective behind performance of these functions is to bring stability and soundness in the organization, which can be secured thus increase in profits, which is an endless result of higher productivity. Therefore a supervisor should be connected with performing the following functions: planning and organizing. Supervisor's basic role is to plan the daily work schedule of the workers by ruling them the nature of their work and also driving the work among the workers according to their uh, interest, skills and interest. Next is provision of working conditions. A supervisor plans an important role in the physical setting of the factory and in organizing the physical resources at night place. This innovation providing proper sitting place, vacation, lighting, water facility, etc. to workers. This main responsibility is here to provide healthy conditions to the workers. Functions of supervisor: motivates worker, becomes an example, hears completes and help to solve them. Communication the feeling or problems to the top management, controls the performance, recommend promotion, transfers and pay increase. Planning and organizing skills of supervisors. Course description. Planning and organizing are two of the key functions performed by any manager or supervisor that makes good planning and organizing skill an extremely important asset. During this training session you all learn about uh, how you can become better organized so that you can become more efficient and stop wasting valuable time. You will also learn how to develop better plans so that you can achieve goals and become successful. Course duration 18 minutes. Why planning and organizing skills for supervisors matter? Planning and organizing are two of the key functions performed by any manager and supervisor that makes good planning and organizing skills an extremely important asset. Key supervisory skills: planning and control, organizing, stuffing and employee development. Thank you so much.